Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this dish in Spanish. This literally means rice with chicken. We're going to be looking at how to say often mispronounced food names as well, other ones too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? For reference, in Spanish, this is said as arroz con pollo. Arroz. So double R here. So you do want to roll the R twice as long. And the Z or Z in Spanish is pronounced like TH in English with your tongue between your teeth. Arroz con pollo. Yes, pollo, not polo. Arroz con pollo. So it'd be fine in English to say it as arroz con pollo. Arroz con pollo. From Spanish, arroz con pollo. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and food names in particular, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong, you won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.